That's a very interesting question. I'll try to answer it in the next 5 minutes or so. Alright, have you ever felt like you're doing everything right when it comes to trading? You're watching all the YouTube videos, you're learning all about the fancy indicators, maybe you've even taken a course or two, and yet the results just aren't there? You're still seeing more red than green? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Today, we are going to talk about why that might be happening. Alright, think about it. We live in an age of information. You want to learn about technical analysis? Boom! Hundreds, thousands of videos and articles at your fingertips. You want to know about the latest trading strategy? Another quick search and you're flooded with options. It's like a giant buffet of trading knowledge, right? So, if all this information is out there, freely available to everyone, why is it that the vast majority of people who try their hand at trading don't actually make consistent profits? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that if you just consume enough information, if you just learn enough indicators, you'll suddenly unlock the secret to profitable trading. But what if I told you that knowing about something and actually being good at it are two different things? Let me explain. Imagine trying to learn how to bake a cake just by reading recipes. You might know all the ingredients and all the steps, but will your first cake be a masterpiece? Probably not. You need practice. You need to understand how the ingredients interact. You need to develop a feel for it. Trading is very similar. Technical analysis and indicators are like the ingredients and the recipe. They're important, but they're not the whole story. And what about the chef? What about their experience and their intuition? In trading, that chef is you, and your success depends on so much more than just knowing what a moving average crossover or break of structure or ICT or classic technical analysis is. Think about things like psychology. How do you react when you see your trade going into the red? Do you panic and close it too early? Or do you move your stop loss further away? Or do you stick to your plan? Fear and greed are incredibly powerful emotions, and they can completely derail even the best technical analysis. Then there is risk management. Are you protecting your capital? Are you trading with appropriate position sizes? Because even if you have a great strategy, one wrong move without proper risk management can wipe out your profits. And finally, what about your own unique strategy? Are you just blindly following what someone else is doing, or have you developed an approach that fits your personality, your risk tolerance, and your available time? It's also important to remember that the market is a complex beast. You're not just trading against other beginners. There are big institutions, professional traders with years of experience and sophisticated tools. While the basic principles of technical analysis might apply to everyone, the way these professionals operate and the resources they have access to are often different. This doesn't mean that retail traders can't be successful, but it does mean that relying solely on the same basic information that everyone else has access to might not be enough to consistently outperform the market. So, okay, Sebastian, what's the takeaway here? Well, it's not that technical analysis is useless, don't get me wrong. It's a valuable tool, but it's just one small piece of the puzzle. True trading success comes from combining that knowledge with a strong understanding of your own psychology, disciplined risk management, and a well-defined, personalized strategy. It's about putting in the work, practicing, learning from your mistakes, and continuously refining your approach. If you're tired of just consuming information and you're ready to actually start seeing results in your trading, then maybe it's time to look beyond the surface. If you even listened up to this point, congratulations! Then maybe it's a sign to change your approach. We at the Institute of Trading focus on helping you develop the mindset, the discipline, and the personalized strategy you need to truly succeed. Alright, thanks for watching and happy trading. I'll see you next time. Peace!